So we're done with these steps now. Regrouted them, took some of the steps out that were loose, put them back in. And we joint sealed over here. And we joint sealed here around the pool, which you're supposed to do. And let's see what else. We got these steps here. We had to pull a bunch of stones over here. There was a bunch of sand under them. And so he had to pull several of these out. And he regrouted it. It's very strong now. Joint seal around the spa, joint seal over here. So this project is done.